Hello children, so leaves in our lives part 4. In our previous videos we have discussed about leaf diversity, parts of leaf, how do plants make their food, and today we shall discuss about uses of plants and what do we do with the dry leaves. Let's start. Uses of leaves. Leaves can be consumed as food. Spinach, coriander, mint are some leaves which we can eat. Many animals like cow, goat, panda also eat plants' leaves. Leaves can be used to serve food, like banana leaves can be used to serve food. You can see in the picture. In many parts of India, banana leaves are used to serve their food. Designing. Leaves can be used to design. You can see a girl, she is making a card using leaves. Leaves also has medicinal values. Leaves of neem, then tulsi are used as medicine. Leaves can be used to decorate our homes. Leaves of money plants and also mango leaves are used in many Indian festivals for decoration. We make tea from tea plants, the leaves of the tea plants. Dry leaves can be used to make the roofs, the thatch for roofs. Now we shall discuss about what do we do with fallen leaves. Leaves often falls down from the tree. During the month of autumn, it falls the most. But what should we do with the fallen leaves? If we burn the fallen leaves, it gives out smoke which creates air pollution. It pollutes our air because it gives out lots of smoke when we burn it. We can make manure for plants using dry leaves. The manure is called compost. So what do you mean by compost? Compost are decayed organic materials used as fertilizers for growing plants. Compost are manures which we can give it to plants so that it grows. Compost is used in farming to make the soil better for plants to grow. Manures make the soil good for the plants. And they are free from chemicals, so they are very good to use. But how will we make this manure or compost? Let's see. So step by step I will tell you how you can make manure at home. The first picture you can see the dry leaves. So you can collect all the dry leaves and then you can make a hole in the ground. In the second picture you can see a pit. That hole is also called pit. A pit is dug to put the leaves and is covered with soil. So at first we will collect the leaves and then we can dig a hole and we will put all the dry leaves there and we will cover it with soil. We can also, in the third picture you can see, we can also collect all the leaves and we can also put a fencing and then we can cover it with the soil. So after few months, and we will keep it, it will lie there, and after few months this leaf will change into compost or manure. The fourth picture you can see, after few months it will automatically turn into manure which we can use to put in the plants so that it grows well. Okay. So in this video you have seen the uses of leaves and what we shall do with the dry leaves. So this is the last part of the topic leaves in our life. Thank you everyone.